Hi everyone, I'm here with Cam Provost, the MD of Coolabah Metals. We're currently live on the company's IPO. So Cam, we'll just jump straight into it. At listing, the company will have 3 assets into tier 1 regions, or copper and base metal producing regions in Australia, the Lachlan Fold Belt and Mount Isa. Do we want to just jump into the 3 of them, Cam?
Good morning, Casey. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here again. As you mentioned, world-class terrains, the Lachlan Fold Belt and Mount Isa block, and the tenements that we have, the 3 tenements, Coolabah and Nimijie in the Lachlan Fold Belt, and our Gunpowder Creek project up at Mount Isa are underexplored tenements. And when you look at the Coolabah project as an example, our VMS, volcanic massive style copper gold deposit region, and we talk about the nearby operating mines as Triton, new discoveries at Constellation, as an example, the 22.84 metres at 5.42% copper, another one of 14.75 metres being at 4.7% copper. The Nimijie project, which you also mentioned in the Lachlan Fold Belt, which is cobalt-style deposits and nearby to other significant operating mines and discoveries, as we talked about Hera and the new discovery of Federation, which is quite exciting to be so close to these regions and intercepts. They've got intercepts of 18.2 metres at 13 grams a tonne for gold, 5 metres at 47 grams a tonne of gold, 3 metres at 23.4 grams a tonne of gold. And then our other little exciting one, or I shouldn't say little, but Gunpowder Creek project, which has got historic gold workings and grade chips of 32 grams a tonne up in our Mount Isa region. So 3 exciting projects in 2 tier 1 regions, as you said.
Very exciting, and there's definitely a lot of activity to validate the interest in especially the Lachlan Fold Belt, but also I think that we don't give enough credit to the potential at Gunpowder Creek, or given what's happening, what other companies are doing up there at the moment. Definitely very exciting portfolio to be able to list with. If we jump straight to the IPO terms, so we're raising $6 million at 20 cents, and the raise is being done by Barclay Pearce Capital here in Sydney and CPS Capital in Perth. We're expecting to close the offer on the 6th of June and be on the boards by the 22nd of June. Cam, did you want to talk about what investors and the market can expect in terms of news flow post-listing?
Yes, all being well, ringing the bell on the 22nd of June, and then straight into our airborne EM surveys at Coolabah, our gravity survey information at Nimijie, looking to do some geochem work at Mount Isa, and then when we get some of that information back, we'll be straight into the drilling, doing other things like downhole electromagnetic surveys and drilling again those anomalies. And a key thing for us is also about giving announcements to the market. So our first quarter is really focused on getting into the ground and market announcements, but these are initiatives we've been working on to put in place over the last 6 months.
We're very excited about Coolabah, given the recent activity in the Lachlan Fold Belt and specifically the Cobar region by the likes of Aurelia and Aeris. It's priced very attractively for upside post-listing, considering the company has a very packed exploration program in the works. Got a very great, qualified, tight team in Cam and David Ward and Steve Woodham. The interest is definitely supported by the macro fundamentals of copper and other base metals, right?
Yeah, spot on. And that's really well said. BPC and CPS have been 2 great entities to work with, 2 great lead brokers to work with in this initiative. The thing that you spoke about, that broad skill set of exploration and mining and things like governance and sustainability for our leadership team is critical, that really good, tight-knit team. And then that big picture thing when you talk about being in 2 world-class terrains that have simply been underexplored. So we've got a really clear strategy for exploration in simple, proven exploration methods. So they are really exciting tenements and projects that we're working on.
Great, thanks, Cam. For anyone who wants to know more about Coolabah or participate in the IPO, please just click on the link in the description or contact any one of our equity traders.